Being yourself changed me. I was very sick. I had multiple health problems. Every next day I used to have some new ache or pain. I had done all medical tests. I was given the medicines of diabetes, blood pressure, joint problems, and many other ailments. My daily intake of medicine tablets was much more than my daily food. Still I hardly had relief. I started getting depressed. I had to take VRS due to my health conditions. I used to feel that I am just a burden on rest of my family. I was spending almost all my savings on medicines as my Mediclaim, though of a decent amount, was not enough to take care of the medical bills. I had thought of saying goodbye to the world out of frustration. But then, I felt that would be like being a coward. I went under depression due to all this. I saw a counselor. My counselor suggested me to take up a 2-day workshop on being yourself. I attended Being Yourself, a 2-day life-transforming workshop. This was conducted by the veteran renounced wellness and happiness coach, Dr. REKHAA KALE. After taking up this workshop, my life changed. I need no follow-up or practice. Yet the change is consistent. It keeps growing since past 8 years after I have completed the workshop. For past 8 years, I am leading a healthy as well as a medicine-free life. All my ailments have vanished and I am full of energy and life. Being Yourself gave me my original self back. Thanks to the Being Yourself designer and coach. You brought a life-changing transformation. You changed my life. To grab the opportunity to transform your life, call +91 704 583 2888 or visit https://multiversityofsuccess.in.